Welcome to the guided practice for identifying story elements. The story elements are characters, who the story is about, setting, the place or the time, problem, something that goes wrong, and the solution. That's when the problem gets fixed. When you're identifying the story elements, you have to ask yourself who, where or when, what, and how. Here are some clues. The characters are people or animals. The setting is where they are. The problem is something that went wrong. And the solution is how the problem gets fixed. Listen to the story, There's an Alligator Under My Bed, and then we will complete the graphic organizer together.
Hi, I'm Mercer Mayer. I'm going to tell you my story about the alligator under my bed. Yep, I'm going to do that. Okay, you ready? Okay, here we go. There used to be an alligator under my bed. When it was time to go to sleep, I had to be very careful because I knew he was there. But whenever I looked, he hid or something. So I called Mom and Dad. Mom! Dad! But they never saw it. It was up to me. I just had to do something about that alligator. So I went to the kitchen to get some alligator bait. I filled a paper bag full of things alligators like to eat. I put a peanut butter sandwich, some fruit, and the last piece of pie in the garage. I put cookies down the hall. I left fresh vegetables on the stairs. I put a soda and some candy next to my bed, and then I watched and waited. Sure enough, out he came to get something to eat. Then I hid in the hall closet. I followed him down the stairs. I followed him down the hall. When he crawled into the garage, I slammed the door and I locked it. Then I went to bed. There wasn't even any mess to clean up. Now that there's an alligator in the garage, I wonder if my dad will have any trouble getting in his car tomorrow morning. I'll just leave him a note.
Here's the graphic organizer for identifying the story elements. The story elements are the characters, that's who's in the story, the setting, where and when the story takes place, the problem, what went wrong, and the solution, the fix to the problem. Being able to identify the story elements helps you to better understand the story. At the top of the graphic organizer, there's a line to write the book title. There's a box for characters, for the setting, for the problem, and the solution. Let's start completing the graphic organizer by putting the book title at the top. The story we listened to was called There's an Alligator Under My Bed. Now we'll fill out the character box. The main character is the boy with the red pajamas. Now we'll fill out the setting box. The setting is in the boy's bedroom in his house. Now we'll fill out the problem box. The problem is the boy is trying to go to bed, but there is an alligator under his bed. Now we'll fill out the solution box. The solution is the boy gets a bunch of food and makes a food trail for the alligator to follow. The trail goes into the garage and the boy locks the alligator in the garage. And that is how you fill out the graphic organizer for story elements. Feel free to go back on the website, choose another book to listen to, and fill out the organizer all by yourself.